Hi, it's Robyn here from Robyn's Roost, and I'm here for the second day of cards using the Wonder of the Season specialty paper. Now, if you didn't see the first video, just hop on over to my channel and watch that. But I will give you a quick overview of the paper before we get started here. So let's flip the camera and we'll start crafting. So here's this gorgeous paper. It's foiled on one side, and there's two different colors of foil. We've got gold on three different designs, and you get two of each sheet, and then we have red on three designs. So gorgeous papers, and then the back side is just plain black and white. And it's also the newsprint style. So for this card, we're going to be using a piece of this with the scrolly edge, and we're going to be using the gold foil. And I'll show you the card that I did. Here's the card that I made using the red foiled tree, and we're going to use the gold foil. So what you're going to do is you're going to start with a basic Whisper White Thick card base. Again, scored at 4 1/4, and then cut it in half at 5 1/2. Then we're going to take whatever pattern you choose from a Christmassy paper. This happens to be the 'Tis the Season 6x6. So you're going to cut this first at 4 inches and then at 5 1/4. So you're going to have this little strip left, and you're going to use that for your piece that turns the other direction on the card. And then you're going to cut your scrolly piece, and we're going to use the back of this, the gold foil that has the writing on it, but we're going to actually use the black and white side. And you're going to cut this to 3 3/4 by 5. So we can just go ahead and get this layered. And you'll see I'm doing this one in red. I did the other one in a green. But you could do this in green too, either side. They're both gorgeous. Don't you just hate covering up the gorgeous paper? Then we're going to take our little strip that we cut off, and we're just going to layer it along here to just give our white piece a little bit of highlight so it stands out from the background. Then for the inside, I've taken two other scrap pieces of the 'Tis the Season DSP, and we're going to adhere those in here. Now there is a red side, but I really like this. What's the word for that? Mistletoe? Is it mistletoe? I don't know, but it's some kind of a Christmassy plant. I'm going to go ahead and put both of those down. And then we're going to take our real red ink, and we're going to stamp a greeting from the Itty Bitty Christmas. And see how quick and easy that was? Super fast, super easy. So stop by again tomorrow to see another card made using this gorgeous specialty paper.